my wonderful viewers. Welcome and welcome back to this platform on African culture, food, and lifestyle. So here I am. I'm bringing you this video on farming. So we are farming in an African village in Kenya, in Luo community. So guys, this is the farm, and in this farm, I have my maize here. I have my beans here. You can just see how healthy they are. I have my bananas, and I have a coffee farm in there. So what we are going to do now is just to do the weeding. So kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, you can see I have beans, and these are my maize plant, but there are also some weeds like such that we need to take out. So what we are going to do today is just weeding, to make sure that we remove these weeds which are competing with our plants. So this is how our African style of weeding. So look at my tool. I don't know from which country you are watching me from. Some people have the small ones, long ones, but us here in our village, this is the size that we use. So stay tuned. Oh, it should come. So guys, it is not easy, but it's the best. So kindly watch this life, very very sweet life. You can see my maize, they are doing so well. How do you call this in your country? Kindly enjoy watching this video. Let me just continue. Let's continue. What? So guys, this is one of the morning routines in the village. We go to the farm at 6 a.m. in the morning, Kenyan time, up to noon. So in the course of this, if you left home without taking anything, at times you feel thirsty, you feel hungry, especially if you're not used to. So for me, what I need is just water to add me the energy. So stay tuned. That's the procedure, and you move on. And then guys, when you remove the weeds, don't leave them there because they'll grow up fast. Make sure you shake them and throw them away. So guys, I'm done with maize for today. So next I'm going to visit my coffee farm. I'm going to pluck some coffee, and just come with me. So guys, this is my coffee farm. You can see some like this. You can see sample. They are ready. So after weeding, when you're going back home, you must make sure at least you pluck a few where we are going to take to the cooperatives. They are taking them and they pay you. They weigh them on kilos. So this is our African way of farming here in Kenya. So just have a look at this. There are so many. Yes. So this is the match that I've harvested today. This is the match that I've harvested today. So I'm taking them back home. The cooperative people are coming. They weigh them out to know how many kgs I have, and then they pay me. So every day after weeding, this is what I do. So stay tuned. And now these are my beans. I don't know whether in your country you take this. There are countries which feed on, in fact, like Zambia, Malawi, Congo, DRC Congo. This is one of their traditional vegetables, beans leaves. So here in Kenya, we don't feed on beans leaves. These ones are meant for prisoners, but we only benefit from the seeds only. So look at my beans, how healthy they are. So stay tuned. So guys, in my African home, the soil is so healthy. Look at my bananas. They are doing so well. They are so healthy. I have plenty of them, and this is how we do farming in our village. So, guys, I'm sweating. It's a lot of work. It's not easy, but it's the best. I enjoy farming so much. Whew. Yes, look at my bananas. So guys, this is how we farm in this. So here I have my bananas. These are ready. I have my coffee and I'm weeding. So that is for the day. Stay tuned for more African lifestyle.